Hello everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about meaning, table, diagram, example, implications of psychological law of consumption. This law is given by J.M. Keynes. According to this law, as income increase, consumption will also increase, but increase in consumption will smaller than increase in income. According to this law, as income increase, consumption will also increase, but increase in consumption will smaller than increase in income. Or we can say that according to this law, as income of consumer is continuous increasing, he will spend less percentage of his total earning. Now we will understand this law with the help of this table. In first column we have income, in second column we have consumption, in third column we have saving. Income minus consumption is equal to saving. Initially when income is 0, consumption is 50. Why income is 0 but consumer is spending 50 rupees? Because consumer has to do some expenditure for survival. Either he is earning or not. For example, expenditure on food, expenditure on clothes, etc. For doing these expenditure, he is taking money from his past saving. That's why saving is minus 50. Now his income increased from 0 to 50. Consumption also increased 50 to 75. But still, consumption is more than from his income. He has lack of 25 rupees. That's why he is taking 25 rupees from his past saving. Now his income increased from 50 to 100. Consumption also increased 75 to 100. In this case, income and consumption are equal to each other. That's why saving is 0. Now please listen carefully. According to this law, as income of consumer is continuous increasing, he is spending less percentage of his total earning. You can see here, when income increase 100 to 150, consumption also increase 100 to 125. In this case, he is spending 83% of total income. When income increase 150 to 200, consumption also increase 125 to 150. In this case, he is spending 75% of total income. Earlier, he was spending more. When income was low, income was 150, he was spending 83% of total income. But when income increased 150 to 200, he is spending 75% of total income. Means as compared to earlier, he is spending less percentage of total income. Again, his income increased 200 to 250, his consumption also increased 150 to 175. In this case, he is spending 70% of total income. This is less as compared to earlier. You can see here, when income increasing, he is spending less percentage of total income. In case of 150, he was spending 83% of total income. When income increased 150 to 200, he is spending less, 75% of total income. Again, income increased 200 to 250, he is spending 70% of total income. Is as income is increasing, he is spending less percentage of total earning. But why? As income of consumer is continue increasing, he is spending less percentage of total earning, because his saving is increasing. You can see here, when income is 150, his saving is 25. As income increase 150 to 200, saving increase from 25 to 50. As income increase 200 to 250, saving also increase 50 to 75. And we can calculate saving when we minus consumption from income. And you can see here, as income of consumer is continuous increasing, he is spending less percentage of total income because his saving is increasing. Now we understand this law with the help of this diagram. In this diagram, on x-axis we have income and y-axis we have consumption and saving. This OY is our income line, this CC is our consumption curve. At this E point, income and consumption are equal to each other. Before E point, consumption is more than our income. Means before E point, we are consuming more but our income is less. That's why consumption curve is above from our income line. If we are consuming more but our income is less, means we are taking money from our past saving. That's why this part shows our dis-saving, or we can say that this part shows our negative saving. At this E point, income and consumption are equal to each other. After E point, as income increase, we will consume less percentage of our total income. Means after E point, income is more but consumption is less. You can see here, after E point, our income is more but consumption is less. Income curve is above from our consumption curve. If our income is more but consumption is less, means we start saving. That's why this part shows our saving. Now we are going to talk about some important implications of this law. Implication means what are effect of this law, mean through this law what we came to know. First implication is strategic importance to investment. Through this law we came to know investment is very important, because according to this law increase in consumption is smaller than increase in income, means there is less demand in economy. Less demand means unemployment will increase. In order to improve this situation, investment is must. That's why investment is very important. Second thing we came to know through this law, there is possibility of overproduction and unemployment in economy, because according to this law consumption increase smaller than income, means there is less demand. There is less demand but supply is constant or continue increasing. As a result, overproduction and unemployment will increase in economy. Next implication is it refuses Say's law of market. According to Say's law of market, supply creates its own demand, means whatever goods we produce it will be demanded, there will be no overproduction. But according to this law, increase in consumption is smaller as compared to income, means there is less demand but supply is constant or continue increasing. As a result, overproduction can create an economy. Next implication is decline in marginal efficiency of capital. Marginal efficiency of capital means expected profit of producer. According to this law, increase in consumption is smaller as compared to income, means there is less demand, means demand will fall. If demand fall, price will fall. If price fall, means expected profit of producer will also fall. Next implication is over saving gap. According to this law, increase in consumption is less as compared to increase in income, because people start saving. If people are keeping more money in form of saving, means neither this money is using for consumption nor for investment, and lack of demand and lack of investment can create situation of depression in economy. And this is all about meaning, table, diagram and implications of psychological law of consumption. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.